This posture has three vectors: up and down through the arms, on a diagonal from the right foot through the head, and forward from the left hip through the left knee. The major contractions are the right leg engaged fully, the abdominal muscles pulled in, the left leg pushing away from the floor, and the right side of the neck for the head rotation. The two arms are reaching back, opening the chest and pushing the left knee without arching the back. Avoid leaning on the floor with your fingertips. Stretch through both of your arms and breathe calmly. Common mistakes in this posture are not bending the knee deep enough, pushing the hips behind you, and looking anywhere else but up through your fingertips to the ceiling. This is a great training posture for all other postures that have a lunge element, so hold for a full minute on each side.